Hello friend, now we are going to start the nervous tissue. So nervous tissue is the one of the tissue. So it is a separate type of tissue. It is different from the epithelial, connective and muscular tissue. It consists of the nerve cell. So there are different type of nerve cell which constitute to form the nervous tissue. So in nervous tissue, mainly the cells are first is nerve cells or neuron, second neurosecretory cell, third neuroglial cells, and fourth one ependymal cell. So the main cells of nervous tissue is the neurons. So there is the neurons which help in the conduction of nerve. But another type of cells which not help in the conduction process, but it form and secrete some certain substance which help in supporting the nerve cells or make the alignment and makes the coating on the over the surface of neuron. So this is the other types of tissues which help. So other type of cells which support and help in the smooth functioning of nerve cells. So first we come to the nerve cells, neurons. So this is the structure and functional wise of the neurons. So there are the various structural type of neurons like apolar neuron, unipolar, bipolar, multipolar. So apolar, no pole arises, so there is no formation of dendrites and axons form. So this neuron form in retina of eye. Another is unipolar neurons which present in embryonic condition. So one pole arises, both one dendrites and one axon. In bipolar neurons which is mainly present in retina of eyes which have one opposite dendrites and axon. So in multipolar neurons there is the multiple polar of the formation of the dendrite. So in multipolar many dendrites arises and one opposite axon form. So this condition occurs in multipolar which is occurs in CNS. So this is the structure and function wise neurons or nerve cells divided into three categories: sensory neurons, motor and mixed. In sensory neuron, so which conduct the nerve impulse or nerve signal from receptor present on the skin to the CNS or brain and spinal cord. In motor, which send the signal, neural signal from CNS to muscles or effector organ. And mixed type, it is the just connecting of both afferent as well as efferent neurons. So this is the structure and function of nerve cell. Next one is neurosecretory cells, is the specialized cells present in the hypothalamic region of brain. So and the main function are it form neurohormones. So this is the structure of the neurosecretory cells present in the brain region, especially in the hypothalamus. So here is the formation of the neurohormone here, and then neurohormone released into the blood vessels. So this is the neurohormone which may be stimulatory or proteinous factor, excitatory proteinous factor and inhibitory, both types of. So this is the neuro. Third one is neuroglial cell. So neuroglial cells is the supporting cells, about 90% of the total nervous tissues. So there are astrocyte, it's a help in the physical support or mechanical support. It's a phagocytic in nature, it's branch type of cells and larger neuroglial cells. Another neuroglial cell is oligodendrocyte. It is quite smaller than astrocytes and secrete myelin sheath in CNS. Here is the myelin axon. So covering of the axon is called myelin sheath, which is secreted from, this is the oligodendrocyte. Oligodendrocyte and dendrosecrete myelin sheath in CNS. And in PNS myelin sheath secreted by the Schwann cell. So Schwann cell present in between the axon and myelin sheath. So these cells secrete myelin sheath. So another space. Next one, microglial cell. It is just a modified branching, ठीक है, This is scavenger cells, and third one and last cells is ependymal cell, which is present in the CNS region of epithelial cell. It combined with the blood vessel to form the choroid plexus. So, this choroid plexus secretes CSF, cerebrospinal fluid. So, this is the various cells or various type of cells present in nervous tissue. So, there are various type of nervous tissue. So, many cells we are discussed here. Okay, hope you understand well. Okay, thank you.